What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie. I don't know. It's like 4:05 in the morning, so I got sent home from work early, which is really good. So I'm filming another video. So I completely screwed up my intro, but what's up? My name's Natalie, and this is my channel, Music2MAKEUP. So today's video is going to be a unboxing of my Sephora play for May, and that rhymes, hey. So I was gonna wait for my Allure box to come and do a battle of the boxes, but I had to order a new debit card and forgot to change it on my Allure profile, so I probably won't be getting that box anytime soon. So I'm just going to do a Sephora play, and there might be a giveaway at the end of the video. I don't know. We'll see. If I could wink, I would wink, but I can't. So I'm gonna get right into the video. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I promise I can speak normally most days. And let's get into the unboxing. I love play. You know how hard it has been for me to have this and not open it? Alright, so here's the pamphlet that you get each month, the 50 insider points that I never end up using. And here is the bag this month. It's like denim with little, they look like shoelaces for strings. Oh, and it just says Play by Sephora. It's cute. Alright, so let's see what we're getting. I am in love with this product. It is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Champagne Pop. This is probably broken now, but it is my favorite highlighter of all times. Oh, so gorgeous. I seriously wore this for like a year straight, no joke, when it first came out. Oh my gosh. I am excited that I got this. I just got the same thing in my Allure box a couple months ago, but I mean, this is my ride or die highlighter, so I will take many of them. Keep them coming. I have no problem whatsoever with that. And it says, this dazzling highlighter contains a multi-tonal pigment that adjusts to your skin's unique undertones, and ultra-fine pearls then reflect and reflect light for a luminous, natural-looking glow. Huh, I didn't know that. But it says it's a creamy pressed powder highlighter in a pearlescent gold shade with peach undertones. All right. And I'm sure we all know that Jaclyn Hill created it. Alright, so let's move on to the next product. So it is the Professional by Benefit. This is a good primer. It is a really good primer. But I have gotten so many of these. So many of these. And I'm not oily, so I don't use it that much. That's the only thing, and I've gotten it so many times from so many different boxes. I'm just kind of like, I've just gotten so many. But it is an oil-free priming balm that minimizes the look of pores and controls shine all day. Okay. So the next item I am super stoked about, because I was actually about to buy the full size on Sephora, so I'm glad that I'm going to be able to try it out first. And it is the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Volume Hairspray. and it says it's a setting spray that extends your style, lifts at the roots, and adds major volume. And my hair has gotten so much thinner and it keeps thinning, so that was why I was going to buy this. And it says spray pre-styler onto damp hair, then blow dry and style for lift. And I love Bumble and Bumble, like that's my brand. I love their products, like love their products. Okay, moving on to the fourth product. And it is this Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. I can't even tell you how many times I've gotten this. Here's one. Got one upstairs. Used the whole one. And I want to say I've gotten it from Sephora before. Why? Why? Well, I'll just add it to the giveaway. How do you guys like that? So I'm not very excited about that. And the last product, minus the bonus, is this Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. A detoxifying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. Here's what it looks like inside. Ooh, that's very interesting. It smells kind of good. It kind of, and it says, this highly effective mask uses minerals and mud to absorb excess sebum oil, which reduces the appearance of blemishes without over drying. It leaves skin soft, matte, and ultra clean. Plus, watching it change colors is so satisfying. Oh, so I guess it changes colors like the Glam Glow Skin Clearing Mask. I do love that because you put it on and it looks like mud, and then wherever the oil is, it turns white. And you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't realize I had so much oil on my face. So, I am excited to try that. And then for my bonus, where did my bonus go? It is this Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. And I have tried this before, and I'm really not the biggest fan. I thought I would like it because it says this warm and spicy fragrance is like a bouquet of sweet flowers mixed with deep woody notes. Oh, that's what I don't like about it. I like the floral part, but I don't like the woody notes. Fragrance family, warm and spicy. Oh yeah. Top notes, jasmine. Middle notes, orange blossom. And base notes, patchouli. Let me try it again. You know, maybe I was having a bad day when I tried it. Because I know this is like, people like are like die for this. I mean, it's alright. It's just not something that I would like continually. It doesn't make me go, oh my god, that smells so good, you know? But, alright, well that is my entire box for May. I mean, it is a good box. It really is. It's just these two things I have gotten so many times, so it's kind of like I really didn't get them because, if that makes sense, I don't know. Anyways, on to what you probably have been really waiting for, which is the giveaway. So it's not like one big prize. It is a bunch of little things, but it's a lot of little things. I just wanted to show you guys how grateful I am for you and how much I appreciate you. So I kind of put together, well, not kind of, I put together like a summer essentials kit for a giveaway. So there's this box. There's a full-size highlighter. There's a Murad primer, a sleeping mask, eye gel, mascara, sunscreen, serum, okay, and a Kat Von D tattoo liner. And then also, we got this Vita Liberta self-tanning lotion. Like this Traceek lip balm. A hair mask, some perfumes. Ooh. Got a NYX lip cream. Some eyeshadows. More eyeshadows. Oh, actually, I was just talking about this. The Glam Glow. Oh, is this the... This isn't the mask, this is the cream to foam cleanser. But I have the full size of this. Oh, it's amazing. So that's the gist of it, guys. I will put all the details in the description box, but it's going to be US only. You have to be 18 or over to enter or have your parents' permission. And what you have to do to be eligible is be subscribed to my channel, leave me a message down below, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at @NatRoseMusic2MAKEUP, which I will also leave below in the description. I will announce a winner in 2 weeks. The exact date will be down there, and plus all the other rules and blah 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 that no one wants to hear about. But you can read about it in the description box if you would like. So, alright guys, I just wanted to say thank you again so much. I'm at like 260 subscribers. I remember when I was first starting, like the first few months, I only had like 12 subscribers, and I was just getting so discouraged. I was like, I never thought I was gonna make it to 100, honestly. So to be at over 200, like, I'm ecstatic. I know it's not much, but it's a lot to me, and it shows me that I am making progress and hopefully helping some of you. And I honestly love doing this. Like, I love making these videos. It makes me happy. So if I'm able to help others at the same time, like, that's all I want. Alright guys, well, I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.